Hey everyone, my name is Nate. Welcome to DirtFish. Let's do some pendulums. Alright everyone, welcome to pendulums. These are by far my favorite techniques. This is also commonly referred to as the Scandinavian Flick. So what we're going to use is both front and rear weight transfer as we've done in the past. Plus we're also going to incorporate some slides so we get that side to side weight transfer happening as well. This is a great technique for rotating a car if you're on the wrong side of the road, if your co-driver gave you the wrong note, or if the car does something you don't expect. It's a method for controlling it and getting it on the correct line for the exit of the corner. We use this predominantly at the school here for understanding the differences of weight transfer and basically keeping calm with a car that is pointed in a direction that you don't necessarily expect it to be in. So what we're going to do is approach it at about medium speed. We're going to be on the incorrect side of the road. We're going to start off with a lift, turn, and brake to initiate a slide to the right. We're going to hold that brake, counter steer, and then when we want to change direction, we'll release off the brake. I'm in second gear now. Left foot is in place on the left side of the road. Lift, turn, brake, 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 off brake. Wait for the car to rotate back through the other direction. So, overwhelming at first because there's a lot happening in a short period of time, but really with practice and good vision, most importantly good vision, we can get these things repeatable as often as possible. Heck, I've even eaten a sandwich while I was doing one of these. So, very important to get our eyes up moving all the way through. We want to not lock through into where the windshield is pointed because that is pointed in the direction we do not want to go. So get the eyes up looking through the side window, that's very important. We're going to do another one of these. Left foot is in place again, still in second gear. On the incorrect side of the road here, on the left side of the road. Gonna lift, turn, brake, 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 off brakes, and then roll back onto the throttle. So there are a lot of opportunities for failure all the way through here. So given the choice, we're definitely going to want to trail brake or lift, turn, brake, depending on our entry speed. But in the case of a car doing something that we don't expect or on the incorrect side of the road, we can always employ some side-to-side weight transfer and get that pendulum effect to work for us. Pendulum is all about swinging the rear of the car around. So if we get a little bit of a pendulum one direction, we'll get back a little bit of a pendulum. Since we have almost a 90-degree corner here, we want a nice big open slide to the right. All right, we'll do a big one here. I'm gonna start a little bit earlier. Gonna lift, turn, and brake, 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 off brakes. And then put it in where we want it. You notice that I was able to hold the car at an angle with the brakes and not too much counter steer so that we can hold that angle. The point where I lifted off the brakes, that's where the car changed direction and we were able to rotate through on the corner. All right, everyone, that's a pendulum exercise. If you want to come try one out in person, you're welcome to. All of the contact info is below, so come see us. Come try out some pendulums. I'm going to try a couple more while we got some time.